Oh, that's what it looks like. What's up, you guys? So today, I thought because, you know, Orange is the New Black is coming out later this month, well, I guess by the time this video is up, it'll be out already. But I thought that I would make Chang's meal, you know, Chang.
Where's my big Asian prison family?
You Scottish.
And so I got everything I needed, and then some. So this is what Chang makes. And I got all those ingredients. I have a bag of Fritos, a can of sweet peas. I don't know if it's supposed to be sweet peas, but I got a can of sweet peas, and some water. And I'm not gonna waste this whole bag, so I'm just gonna make my concoction in a little plastic baggie. And then I thought it'd be cool to make like my own little version of it. Can you guys hear me? That fan's really loud. My own little version of it. Instead of using Fritos, I'd use Cheetos, right? And instead of using, and peas. I'd use Cheetos, peas, water, and I'd put a chunk of cheese in the middle of it. All right, let's do it. First, I gotta open up this can. I'm visiting my mom, and she doesn't have a electric can opener, I guess. Whatever, it's fine. All right, and I'm back. Also, my mom's been giving me this Mary Kay stuff to use my face because she has Mary Kay. So tell me, does my face look better than like the last video? I don't know. I hope it does. So what we're gonna do first is we're going to open the bag of Fritos. They smell like Fritos. Dog is walking. I'm trying to make a video here. Ah. Alright. Oh. And then you just crush it up.
You know what I did to the right side?
I'm poking a hole in this plastic baggie. Alright, I got it all powdery, sort of, crumbly. Anyways, I also forgot that she used hot sauce, so I got sriracha, that's all I got. So I'm gonna have to use.
I can't have that kind of spice. But then...
And you pour in some water. I don't know how much, but...
Thank you, Hubert.
I'm gonna say that's good enough for now. Oh. Yep, there's definitely a hole in the bag. No, it don't look good. I'm actually excited for it. Okay. Dump it in the bowl like she does. I don't know how much though. I don't want to overdo it. She had a lot of peas in hers. Like about that much, I think. Half the can. I got to save the other can for this. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? I should have used a bigger bowl for this though. Oh, that's what it looks like. I feel like it kind of looks like the thing she was making. Alright, let's ball it up in a ball form. So here we are. The dog is whining behind me because she wants out. So we grab a ball of it. Oh, it doesn't look like it's going to stay together. And there we go. It just fell apart. Oh my god. What do I do? I'm gonna add more water. I don't know what else to do. So I'm gonna make 5. One for each of us to try.
Nope. No. I think I might try it.
But why are you making 5? There's not even 5 left.
I don't know. That's how much I had. I have no idea how long she put this in for. So I'm gonna put it in for a minute. A minute sounds good. Bam! That's definitely not long enough. So far they've been in there for 5 minutes and they're still looking the same. So I don't know if they're gonna brown up like they did in the show. But while that was cooking, I went up and smashed the Cheetos, added the peas, and then I actually just put the hot sauce in this one. Added a lot more water, so it's a lot more like squishy. And this was 3 different types of Cheetos. The regular, the jalapeno, and the flaming hot. Actually very hot, and these are just crumbly. So I moved them without them breaking their form too much, so I think they are kind of cooking. So let's try another, let's put them in for 4 minutes, okay? I don't know. So those are still cooking, but the Cheeto ones with the cheese ball inside turned out so good. I mean, they're not cooked yet, but like they're not crumbly. Like I think I just need to add more water in those. Ugh. I just gotta get a thumbnail real quick. Also, I popped these out of the microwave. They're not gonna brown up. I mean, they might, but I don't wanna wait. So I'm just gonna cook the Cheeto ones next. Move for the freaking thumbnail. Oh my god, I cracked the plate. You guys can clearly see that crack. It looks like a hair, but it's a crack. Shoot. Oh well. Whatever. Alright, so here are my 2 concoctions. None of them turned out like the ones in the show. Very upset about that. But let's try the original first. Okay. Let's just it is a little crispy on the top. Right.
Also, my mom's been giving me this Mary Kay stuff to use my face because she has Mary Kay. So tell me, does my face look better than like the last video?
It's actually good. Put some hot sauce on it. It's a little bit sriracha. Mmm. That's actually a good snack. These ones look a little too mushy now. Oh my god, they're mushy. That's the cheese. Oh yeah. These ones already have sriracha in them, so. Ooh. They're actually good too. Not enough water, too much water. I can't do anything right, can I? But yeah, I'm probably gonna actually eat these. I'm not gonna throw them out. I'm probably gonna give them to my siblings too. Woo! Oh. Oh god.